Hey my little one, in this video we will revise as sound words with pictures. You have to repeat after me. At words. As I told you that first we will speak first sound and then we'll join the second sound. We'll join them together and then we will speak the third sound like b, a, bat, bat. But now in this video we are revising it fast, so we will speak the first two sounds as one sound. I'll tell you how. Repeat after me please. Bat, bat. Cat, cat. Fat, fat. Hat, hat. Mat, mat. Pat, pat. Pat means, look, the girl is patting the dog at its back. Pat करना किसी को ऐसे प्यार से उसकी बैक पे या उसके शोल्डर पे प्यार से ऐसे to move the hand is called pat. Rat, rat. Sat, sat. Sat means बैठा था. And words. Can, like juice can, Pepsi can, cold drink can. This is a can. You also get oil in the can. So this is a can. Fan, fan. Man, man. Ran. Ran means भागा था पहले. Not now. पहले भागा था. Pan. This is a pan in which mama makes chapati. Mama makes tea also. So this is a pan. Van. Ban. Ban means not allowed. When you drive, when someone is driving, the driver is not allowed to call, is not allowed to use the phone. The driver is not allowed to use the phone when he or she is driving the car. So that is ban, means not allowed. Tan. When you sit in the sun for long hours and your skin become dark. So that is tan. Am words. Jam. Ram. This is ram. Ag words. Rag. Wag. Wag means when a dog move its tail. जो dog की tail होती है, when dog moves its tails, that is called wagging. Wag. Lag means to lag behind. पीछे रह जाना. Tag. This is a tag. When you buy anything new t-shirt, new clothes, new bag, new bottle, so you see a tag on which the name of that company is written or the price is written. So this is a tag. Bag. App words. Cap. Nap. Nap. Nap means to take a short sleep. When in the afternoon you sleep for half an hour or for 1 hour, so that is called a nap. To sleep for short time. Tap. Tap. Map. Map. This is a map. In case if you want to find some place or any place if you want to go to and you don't know about it, so you check into the map that where you have to go, how far it is and how does it look like. So this is a map. Lap. Lap. Lap means godi. Look, the mama is holding the baby in her lap. Lap. Gap. Gap. Gap means space between. Suppose you are sitting here and your friend is sitting here. So ये जो जगह है, ये जो the space which is in between both of you is the gap. The space. Add words. Pad. Pad. The writing pad. You write on this pad. Lad. Lad. Lad means a boy. One boy is called as lad. Sad. Sad. Bad. Bad. Bad means ganda. Had. Had. I had a biscuit. मेरे पास एक बिस्किट था. I had 2 chocolates. मेरे पास 2 chocolates थी. Had means मेरे पास था. I had my food. मैंने अपना food खा लिया था. Ab. Words. Dab. Dab. When you take a paintbrush and you dip the paintbrush into the paint bottle. So that is called dabbing. And then you dab it on the sheet like this. So this is called dabbing. Cab. Cab means taxi. If you have to go somewhere and your car, you don't have a car or your car is busy somewhere, so you hire a cab. You take a taxi. We call it cab. As words. Gas. Gas. This is gas cylinder which you see in your kitchen with which we cook food. Has means मेरे पास है या उसके पास है. He has 2 candies. She has 4 dogs. उसके पास 4 dogs है. उसके पास 2 candies हैं. A rat. A fat cat. The cat ran for the rat.